Say goodbye to store-bought. Make ginger garlic paste easily. Ingredients you need: 100 grams of fresh ginger, 100 grams of fresh garlic, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and half a teaspoon of salt. Step 1. Clean the ingredients. Peel the garlic cloves. Wash the ginger thoroughly and peel it. Step 2. Chop into small pieces. Cut ginger and garlic into small chunks. This makes blending easier. Step 3. Blend to a paste. Place the chopped ginger and garlic in a blender or food processor. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil, optional, to make a smooth paste. Blend until you get a fine, smooth paste. Step 4. Add salt, optional. Adding a pinch of salt helps preserve the paste longer. Blend again briefly. Step 5. Store properly. Transfer the paste into an airtight container. Drizzle a thin layer of oil on top to increase shelf life. Store in the refrigerator for up to 2 to 3 weeks. For longer storage, freeze in ice cube trays and transfer the cubes to a freezer bag. Tips: use fresh ginger and garlic for the best flavor. Make small batches to maintain freshness. Oil acts as a natural preservative. If you loved this easy homemade ginger garlic paste recipe, don't forget to like, share, and comment. What's your favorite dish to cook with ginger garlic paste? I'd love to hear your ideas. Drop them in the comments below.